This is the main differentiate on that when I have to using the while loop and for loop. Okay.
So can we do it with an example?
Yes. 1 minute.
I will show
Yesterday,
you what I have made it with factorial. I'll just put it in the
yeah.
chat window.
Yes. Yes.
Uh,
You can put in chat.
just
I can take that.
just let me know what is the issue with that.
Okay. Okay. You can try in for loop in factorial. For loop
I tried it with for loop. I couldn't get it. Then I tried it with while loop. I could do it, but just see.
This is right. Yeah, this is right. Okay. We can differentiate on that. Yesterday, I think we have do that like a while off. I can take as
But
an
then they were at different times.
yeah. I can take as an I of 5. Okay. I can take as a while off. Okay. But output is not same. Mostly the output will be same. I can print as an print of I value. Print of I value is comma I. Okay. Now I can decide to I equal to I plus 2 or I equal to I plus 1. Now I can run this program. It will be given as in 0 to 4. Okay. Suppose I can decide to print the data here, increment and decrement to be as in first. Okay, increment and decrement to be as in first. Okay, just enter. Okay, first I can get as in data, increment to be as in first. So what happened? 1 to 5 will be working. Okay, so this one we will be shuffle on that whether a requirement of the loop will be execute first or else the loop will be execute as in second. I can print the statement as in second statement or else I can print the statement as in last. So it will be decided in the while loop. You can change whatever thing in while loop. Okay. Okay. In for loop. Okay. In for loop. For I n of range of I can given as an 5. Okay. I can given as an starting 1. Total value is an 5. Difference is 2. Okay. I can print the data. So I value is, that's it. It will be printed like this. But I'm not, this one will be changing. Okay. This is the fixed thing. Okay. My structure will not be changed in for loop. In while loop, inside of the structure, I will be changed for my requirement. This is the most differentiate on that while and for loop. This is enough on that while and for loop. Okay.
No, I mean, while executing, I was not able to do it.
You want factorial?
Yeah, factorial. Just I've shared. Have you received that? I've shared it in chat window.
Yes. You not get an output for that.
Is it okay?
Yes, this is
No.
okay. We can check that one. Okay, we can check that one. This one. Okay, no problem. We can check this one. Okay, this is the differentiate on for and while. Okay, while is the differentiate on and for. Because of while we can change for then customize the loop, but for is will not change the customize on thing. When I enter 3, it will be comma. Yes, just 4. Yes, it will be correct. You not mention as in fact that only will be not display the data. You can see that. This variable will be
Okay.
stored as a fact. Okay, you not return this variable, so only the value will be not display you.
But you told me to do this with for loop. I did it
Yes,
with while loop.
yes, whatever thing, while and for loop you can get the answer. Is not a problem. In for loop,
But then
just
how? What
yeah,
will I
you
do
can
if I want to?
yes, yes, you can check same thing. First you can get as an number, num of, int of, input of. Okay, enter the number of. Okay, next I can take as a fact equal to 1. Okay, so I can given as an for I in range of, okay, the starting value is on 1, the ending value I can take as an 3. Okay, comma, I can differentiate on 1 by 1. Okay, same thing we can do that. Fact equal to fact into I. Just you can try that, no problem. Next, yeah. Okay, now I can the data print of fact value. Just I can enter 3, I can get as in 6. So the loop will be till execute on 2 times only. So only the answer will be get as in 6. How I can get as a answer
But
will be
answer
get
is two.
yes. So how I can get as an the value will be 6. Yes, the value will be 6 because I'm not given as an runtime input. Okay, suppose I can given as an, can I go do like this in for loop? Can try like this? Can I try like this? When I given as a num, okay, it will be comes as a 3 time. When I given as an loop of 4, it will be given as an 6. So what slight changes I
What
can
did
do?
you change? What did you change? Yeah.
Yeah, I can put as a num of value here. I can get as a runtime value 3. It will be working here. Okay, the range is starting is in 1. Okay, the range is starting is in 1, comma, num of 3, comma, 1 difference it will be taken. Okay, why it will be present is when I can given as in 3, the loop will be execute correctly means I can given as in less than equal to. Okay, so how the loop will be execute means 1 comma 2 comma till 3. Okay, but here how the loop will be execute means 1 comma 2 comma, that's it. When I can given as in 3, 1 comma 2. Okay, because they not taken less than 3. Okay, so only I can given as an without using while loop you can do like that. I can given. Okay, you can understand while loop you can put as an factorial. It's very easy. Okay, till 1 2 3 will be taken as easy. Okay, so one value will be present of an first loop. When I given as an 1 less than equal to num3 condition true, it will be executed. Second, the second value will be executed. Third, the third value will be executed because less than equal to I can given. Equal to means till the third value will be executed. But here how it will be working, the
So
first
here
one
shall
will,
we here shall
yeah,
we give it like this that for I in range 1, comma num plus 1.
num plus 1. Okay, okay, when I do that, I can given as an 3. Yes, very good. This is so only I can say as an do like that in for loop. Okay, understand why I'm given as an through and for loop you can do as an factorial.
Hopefully, yes. I'm not very confident yet. I'll try more programs today, might be
Yes,
then I'll
yes,
gain
yes.
confidence.
Yeah. Why means when you can try this while loop, it will be easy. Okay, you can easy to do this program. But you can now think one logic, no, num plus 1. Okay, you can think logic num plus 1. This is the improvement of your side. Okay, so only I can say as an do the factorial in for loop. Okay, I think is very improvement. You can very think very clearly num plus 1. Okay, so automatically when I can given as an 4, it will be given as in 24. So the loop will be executed properly. You can write this one. Okay, you can write this one, and how it will be working, you can think about that. Okay, okay, you can
Then,
think.
yes,
Then
I will.
yeah, then you can try as an some of the digit you can try. Okay, after you can try one daily one program, you can try, it's enough. You can do the logics. Okay, okay, I think it's very beauty. You can it's very easy to that. Okay, okay, very good, you can try, very good. So next, today what I am taking as an that's called as an
Sir,
string.
there are more
Yeah,
doubts. Sir, there are more
yeah,
doubts. In
yeah,
task two, in task one, the task one which you gave me yesterday, do you have that?
yes.
Can you please open it? You wrote
Which
a
one?
program and told me to find logic,
Yeah, which logic?
where if number is greater than 4, letter A, if number is else if,
1 minute,
else if ladder.
I can open that. Yesterday. Mm, task number
Elif ladder.
LF leader.
Should be
LF
up, should be up. It was the first task.
first task.
Above.
The task 2. Yeah, this one. You can say this one.
Else if.
Yes, this
No,
one.
no, no.
This one will be as an, you can say as an AND operator like that. No, this is a
You said
task I
that
can give.
find error in this program. You said find error in this program. Uh,
Yes, yes.
I'll just show you it.
Yeah, you can share in chat window.
Yeah, this one. See.
Find the error, you can clear solve that also.
No, I was not able to find any error. I was like that this is okay.
Not a error, you can solve that. Okay, because you can give like this, you can give like this. Yesterday we can type something, no, grade A, grade B, like that. It will be given as an some problem. Okay,
No, there was no problem.
yeah, okay, okay, we can try that, no problem.
I've sent you, sir.
Yeah, yeah, I can copy that. Okay, okay, now I want to be as an num, I can given as an 4. Which one will be printed when I given as
Okay,
an 4? Which one?
B.
B. Okay, suppose I want to be as in print A, what I can do that?
5. 5.
Yeah, good. Okay, suppose I want to be as in print as an C.
1.
One.
No, not 1.
uh,
It should be greater than 2, no? So 3.
3. Yes. Suppose I want to be as in print means I can put as in 1. Okay. Now you can see whether this program is an error or not. Correct or not?
So I am saying that yes, it is correct.
Yes. So when I say isn't this is error, so only you can look out on that very minute on that. Okay. So I know whether the program is right or wrong. Okay, but you can try. Okay, this is my stuff. I have to prepare yourself.
So there is no
Okay.
error in this program.
Yes. Suppose you have do this program is some other way means you can do like this. Okay, yesterday you can say no and I can get more than 1 marks means how I can do that? M1 is greater than M1 is greater than 40 or 80. Okay, I can like this I can put, and M1 is or M2 is less than 80. Okay, like that also you can give. Okay, this is another way to identify the grade. Okay, understand, Shruti? Yeah,
Okay.
very good startup. Okay, very good. Okay.
Then after this,
Mm.
this program I was able to do sum of digits.
Yes.
Uh,
Okay, one more day you can take, not a problem. Okay, I can already have kept my drive. Okay, one more day you can try that, not a problem. Okay,
One is
next.
this do while loop. Do while loop was an issue.
Yeah, whether have as a do while loop in Python.
No, I don't know how to write the statement.
Yeah, you can check whether in Python has a do while loop or not.
I don't think so.
Yes, okay. The do while loop will not in Python, like switch statement, do while loop is not working in Python. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, next.
I was, I have actually spent a lot of time finding do while
No
loop.
problem. No. Okay.
Okay.
Because these are all you are learning. That's it. Okay, you cannot forget these things.
Okay, and I was not able to try other tasks because it
No
already took
problem.
so much
This
of
is a
time. I will,
yeah.
I
This is
will
a
take
very
some more
important.
time. And
Okay.
there is one thing which I wanted to ask.
Okay.
Uh, I was reading it somewhere. I just want to show you that. Mm, I think I've missed it somewhere. Hmm. There was this program where we had to find the multiples of a number. Okay,
Okay.
and so the input was five numbers, and then the divisor also, and then we had to find all the multiples.
Okay.
In that, there is this command written. I'm writing it in the chat window.
Okay. Put in
Multiples.
chat window. I can copy there. I can look out and say to you.
Hmm.
Whatever the doubts you can give me. Okay. You can give one day time. Next day I can do that. Okay. I can save that your task and everything.
I use Spider. I don't use Jupyter. Is
No
it
problem.
okay?
No problem. No problem. You can do that. No problem. Everything to be working in Spider also.
Just
Put
see.
and chat. Yeah, I can see that.
Now, what was written in the book which I was reading, I am typing it again.
Okay. Yeah. Given the output
Something
also.
else was written.
So you can return that the five numbers as follows. That one, no?
Hmm.
I can copy. Okay.
Now, sir, I have again sent you the last one.
Yes, yes.
In the code, it is written like the second last print command. There is an
Okay.
empty bracket. Why this empty bracket is there?
1 minute, I can copy. Okay, this one.
This one, second last.
Yeah. First one which you have get an output or any errors are there. I want to identify this one.
I got the output.
You can got the output.
I
But
got the
in
output.
first one,
In
this one.
in the first one, I got the output. I got the output
Oh,
in the first one.
okay.
I
What I am
but
explain this one first one. I can explain this program.
I got the output, but my question, there were two questions in this program. One,
Okay.
why it is if you see the third line, third row, why it is
Yes, yes.
important to define integer? Because when I was doing it, I simply slipped out of writing integer, so
Okay.
there was no output.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So
Okay.
why writing integer is important? क्योंकि मैं input ही जब integer का दे रही हूँ, then I don't think so there should be any problem. Default it takes integer only.
Okay. 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 Okay.
And the second problem is at the second last line, wherein they have put that empty bracket against print command. Why they have done so?
Here. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
These two things. 1 minute.
Hmm.
Okay. First one is an why. First question is an what you can ask me means why I can put as an int. Am I correct?
Hmm.
Whether
Yeah.
I can given as an input, it will be shows an error. Am I correct?
Hmm. 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 Hmm.
Yes. Okay. First one I can clear now itself. Suppose I can take it as an a equal to p1 equal to int of input of. Okay. First I can take as an input of. Now enter the value is. Okay. Now I can check that if uh, p1 module of 2 is equal to 0. Okay. Next I can print as an true block. Okay. Next I can take as an else part print of false block. False block. Okay. Now I can compile this program. Just enter. I can given as an 2. Okay. It will be given as an error. Why? This is called as an when I can use that p1. P1 is an integer type of value I can give an. Okay. But I do some calculation on that. Okay. I can do some operation on that when I can use the p1 variable. So I am giving as an input of function. I can give in as an some integer value. It will be taken as an string.
Hmm.
Okay. That variable will not be working as an some calculations.
Okay.
Okay. So only they can put as an int of input of.
The
Now it
default,
will be working.
the default
Yeah.
type that it takes is
That,
string and not integer.
yeah. They can take as an suppose they can take as an 1 minute. They can take as an type of p1. Okay, it will be taken as an change as an int type. It will be not taken as a string type. Okay.
But if we don't write int, then it will take it as string.
Yes, 1 minute. Now I can take as an another variable p2, input of, okay, enter the value is, okay. Now I can take as an p2 is a printed, okay, print of p2, print of p2, and then I can print of type of p2. Just I can enter 2, it will be taken as an string.
But strings are in inverted commas.
Yes, you can do as an, when I can take as an input as a string, how the string will be calculated, something called modulo or plus or greater than or less than, like that, how the string will be taken. So this is the differentiate on that. This is the
Okay,
differentiate on that.
I
There
got
is
it.
an three function. Yeah, there is an three input functions are there. Three runtime input functions are there.
Hmm.
Runtime input functions are there. So one is an raw underscore input, or I can say is an raw underscore input. The second one is an int of input. The third one is an input of function. Okay, so the raw underscore input will not working because it will working as an 2.4 or 2.7, but this one will be working as an 3 plus, this one will be working as an 3 plus. Okay, so what is the differentiate when I can given as an int of input, when I can given as an input of function means, this is the main differentiate. When I take as an integer value as an input, it will be taken as a string only. That value to be as a display is not a problem. When I given as an input of function, I can given some calculation over that variable, it will be given as an some error. So I can use the int of input, that value will be, that variable value will be taken as an integer type. Okay,
Okay.
okay, this is the differential. Next one, tomorrow I can say that what is this, why I can get, why they can say here, I can go through all those things and then I can say. Okay,
Okay.
okay,
Hmm.
just I can say it. Understand, you can get is all
Okay.
those things. Okay,
Hmm.
uh, python string, today we can take as an python string. So first function I can take as an in python string, just I can take as a python string, I can take as a first program, I can given as an name of, name equal to, okay, you can take as an hi. Just I can, I want to be as an print the data, it will be print as an hi. Suppose I want to be the data length, okay, I want to be the variable of an values and high, I to identify on that what is that length of that variable. So I can use the length as a function of name. Okay, so length is a function of name means it will be taken as an value. Okay, the total value of a length of the name variable is an 3. Suppose I can given as in space. Okay, I can given as in space. So what can I do? It will be taken as in 4. The space will be also included. Okay, suppose I can take as an underscore, underscore k something. Continue on that. It will be printed like this. What is the length on that? So the underscore will be also taken. Okay, this is to identify the length of that variable of a value. Understood?
Yes.
Okay, next what I'm saying as an that's called as an subscript, subscript of operator, subscript of operator. How the subscript of operator will be working means, you can use the square bracket, you can use square bracket. You can use the square bracket. Okay, what is the use on that subscript means? Okay, so how I can use that subscript means, like let I take the example. Okay, how it will be taken. The first thing I will be taken as an name of. I can take as an hi. Hi, how are you? Okay, this is the string I can take in. How the string will be working in index in memory allocation means, I can take as an HAI is an hi. Okay, how are you? Okay, so how the string will be taken like this. So H is on one thing, A is on one thing, I is on one thing, H is on one thing, O is on one, W is on one, R is on one, U is on one. Okay, so how the allocation will be taken means, the starting of the position of the string is on 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, this is the starting of the position 0 to 7. Suppose I want to be as in reverse order. I can check as in reverse order means -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, 7, 8. When I start the position this side means it will be given as an -1. When I start as in this side means it will be given as an 0 to 7. This is a predefined thing. Okay, so it will be taken like this. So now I want the data as an fourth position. Okay, I want the data as in this fourth position. How will be taken of the fourth position of the data? Okay, you can just type as an, you can just type as in with the help of the subscript operator. The subscript operator is a square bracket. Will be take as an name of 4. It will be taken as an 1 minute. I think it taken this name. Okay. I can put as a name equal to hi, how are you? Okay. Now I can check as a name of 4. Okay, name of 4 is will be taken as an O. Okay, the name of 4 will be taken as an O. So this is an identification of an subscript. When I can given as a name of 4, it will be taken as an 4. Suppose I want to be some position on that, name of 0 is to 3. Okay, so what data will be printed? Just I can enter, it will be printed high. How it will be taken in this means, so when I can given as an, 0 0 is to 3 means the letter will be taken as an H, the letter will be taken as an A, the letter will be taken as an I. So the third position, the letter will be third position of an H. It will be not taken. When
It
I
will be
given
not
as an,
taken.
yes, not taken. 0 to 3 means it will be taken as an 0, 1 and 2. The third position will be not taken because we start as in 0. So it will be not, you not mention as in 1, 2, 3, not, you can assumption like that. You can take as in 0. You can given as in 0. So only the 3 value will be taken. Okay, the fourth value will be not taken. Okay, you not mentioning as a number, you not think about the number. Okay, so suppose I can given as an 0 to 4. So till the value taken as an H A I H, it will be taken. Okay, when I can given as an 1 is to 3. Okay, what number, what character will be taken? 1 is to 3. What character will be taken? Just you can see.
A I
1 is to
A and
A,
I.
I, A and I. Okay, I can check this one. Okay, we can check in program. So when I taken as an uh, name of name of 1 is to 3, A and I will be taken. This is we can say as a slicing. Okay, this is we can say as an slicing. So 0 is to 3, 1 is to 3, we can say as an
What can we
slicing.
say? Slicing.
Slicing, yeah, slicing. Okay,
Can you
we
type
can,
it?
yeah, 1 minute, I can type that. Yeah, slicing, SCLICING, slicing. Okay, slicing, like that's the pronouns called as an slicing. Okay, so but we can take that variable and everything. How will we take that with variable and everything? With the help of an this subscript operator. This subscript operator. Okay, okay, understood what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yes. Suppose I can put as an like this. I can take as an like this. Name of name of is to 3. Okay, or name of is to, yeah, I can put as a name of is to 3. How it will be taken means it will be taken as an before 3 values. When I can given as an uh, when I can given as an is to 3 means is to 3, so before the third value will be execute. Okay, the output will be taken as an HAI. Okay, suppose I can given as an is to 4, the out will be taken as an HAIH, it will be taken. Okay, so like that we can type that program. When I taken as an name of is to 4 will be taken as an like this. Okay, suppose I want to be as an backward direction, this is a forward direction. When I can take as an name of -1, it will be taken as an U. Okay, when I taken as an name of -1 is to -4, so it will be taken as an okay, yeah, I want this one only. So when I taken as an -1 is to -4, okay, or as -1 is to -2. Okay, so always you not given like that mean it will be not taken. It,
Why?
yeah, I will explain. It will be not taken as string. Okay, because suppose I can given like this -4 is to or -3 is to -1, it will be taken. Just understand.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Yes.
so the backward direction is wrongly we can given means it will be not taken. Now it will be taken. Suppose I can given as an -1 is to -3, it will be not taken. When I take as an when I take as an when I take as a name of -3 is to -1, it will be taken. Okay, suppose I want to be take as an I want to be take as a name of is to 2. So what is the output on that? What is the output?
Double colon.
What? Yeah, double colon. You can take this one as a task. Okay, this one is on task. Task one. Yeah. Okay, what is the output on that in double colon? Okay,
No.
yeah. Next, what I am taking as an next one is an suppose I want to be identified on the occurrence of that variable. Okay, now I can take as an name dot count of h is an occurrence. So how many times the h will be taken? The h will be taken as in 2 times. Okay, when I given as an count of that particular character, it will be taken as an multiple of count. How many count of this character in this line means it will be given as an count function. Okay, suppose I want to be taken as an or some large string. Okay, taken as an hi begin. Okay, with a smile. Hi begin with a smile. Okay, I begin with a smile. Okay, now I want to be as an another function called find. So name dot find of a. So the a will be starting of the position, they can say as an a. So which a they can take? They can take this a. Okay, they not take this a. Okay, suppose I will be taken as a find function like name dot find of with, just enter. Okay, just I can enter with. So will be taken as an -1. Why will be taken as an -1? I want to be taken as an whether how will we be taken as an -1 with. I want to be taken as an this one begin. How will be taken as an this one? Begin Gin. Now enter. Also it will be taken as a -1. Why it will be not working?
Right.
I want this one. I want this one of the starting position. I want this one of starting position, but it will be taken as a -1. Whether I put as an correct thing? Yeah, yeah. Now it will be correct. Okay. So suppose I put as an width, it will be starting position of a 10th. Okay, you can identify the starting position of the value you want to be mentioned as a find
What
function.
what was the error, sir, there?
The error is an I am not taking is an another time I'm not this one just I'm not compile this character. Okay, compile this shell, show only get as an error. Okay, I'm not properly compile this shell. I'm properly not compile this shell. It will be taken as a name of here. It will be taken as a name of here. Okay, so only you can do that program different names, name one
Okay.
like that you can do name one, or else you can very difficult on that to identify it which
Mhm.
name will be printed.
Okay.
Okay, you can identify the count function, find function, len function. Any doubt on that?
It has given it name one dot find with
Name
a
one dot, yes.
10.
Okay, you like I think you can take like this name one dot find, you can take that's a 10. Okay, it will be not taken because it will be taken as a string. Suppose I can given like this, it will be 1 minute. Okay, it will be not taken. Okay, so these are all the function we can see. Next we can see function called uh, I can take as a name of 3 equal to hi 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, this is the thing I can take. Now I want to be using the function called name of 3 dot lower. Lower is a function. Okay, lower. So when I entered, what output will be given? Suppose I can given as a first letter H. What output will be taken? What output will be comes when I can given as an high 1, 2, 3?
Uppercase, lowercase.
Yes, this is the lower case of an function. When I can given as a lower, it will be comes as a lowercase. Suppose I taken as an name 3 dot capitalize of this one. So capitalize this. Okay, I can given as an some small change. Okay, now I can given as an capitalize. Okay, how the capitalize function will be work means the first letter will be starting letter of first letter will be caps. It will be changed as in caps. Suppose I can given as a like high game, just enter all to be as a lower. The capitalize means the first starting letter will be caps. The first starting letter. I want to every starting letter is in caps means I can use the function called like name 3 dot title of. When I enter this, so every starting letter of caps, every starting letter to be as in caps, you can use the title. Title is a function. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Next, I can take as an name 3 dot swap case is a function. Swap case is a function. When I enter this, so automatically the H will be taken as an H, A will be taken as an swap case. So I can taken as an H is in caps. Okay, how the swap case will be work, you can look out on that. The capital will, the uppercase will be changed as in lowercase. The lowercase will be changed as an uppercase. That's the use of a function called swap case.
Okay.
Understood?
Yeah.
Yeah. Next to the important method called called as an strips method. Strip methods. The important method called strip method. Okay. So what is a strip method means? A strip method as to remove that to remove undescribable the character of and beginning of the character, beginning of the not beginning of the character, beginning of the string. Okay, to remove the undescribable character and beginning of the string, that is called as a strip method. So what all the strip methods to be using means, one is an R strip. Okay, R strip of function. Another one is an L strip. R strip is a right strip, L strip is an left strip. Next, R strip is a strip of function. Okay, this is called as an right, R-I-G-H-T, right strip. This is called as an left strip, left strip. This is called as an both the side will be working. Both the side will working. Okay, both the side will be working. So how it will be work in our characters? Okay, we can start. So when I take as an name 4 is a variable, name 4 equal to I can given as an space high space. Okay, this is my string. I want to be working this string as the variable called name 4. Now I can given as a name 4 dot strip, name 4 dot strip of. What is the output on that means the space will be removed. Okay, that's the use of a strip. Suppose I can take as the name 4 equal to hyphen hyphen. Okay, I want to be that variable, remove that hyphen. So name 4 dot strip of hyphen. Just enter. The hyphen will be removed. That's the use of a string strip. Okay, strip function. So I want to be as an I can take as an name 5, because why I'm not changing that every time as a variable means a different same variable I can take means you not get as a differentiate on that. Okay, so it will be confused, so only I can declare new things. So just I put as an hi, how are you, uh, how are you. Okay, just I can enter. Now I want to be as an name 5 dot L strip, that's called as a left strip of I remove that character called H. Okay, it will be removed. Suppose I want to be as an name 5 dot R strip, right strip of. Okay, I want the character as an U, end of the character will be removed. So just I can put as an remove the last character. This is the use of an L strip, R strip and strip function.
So,
Okay,
sir,
understood?
tell me one
Yeah.
thing. Why do we need to mention H when we are saying L strip? So, it will automatically take H.
1 minute. I can do that. I can put as an how it will be taken, whether taken or it will be taken as an error. So R strip. Okay, just I can put as an enter. So how are you? Okay, the strip will be taken comes like, okay,
So, it will not
because
take you.
yeah, it will be searching whether any argument will be given or not. Suppose the argument will not given means it will be taken as an common strip, taken as an common strip function. What is the use of a common string function means it will be using both the side of an space or character, some special symbols you can given means that symbol I can mention means it will be work, or else I can given as an any space means it will be taken as an remove that spaces. Okay, common strip will be work, because I can mention as an R strip means I can give an as an some character, that only it will be remove on that character. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Next one is an I can take as an split methods. Split methods. Okay. What is the use of an split methods means it's to be to split yeah split a string into parts. Okay, and it will be taken as an desired output. Okay, desirable output or desirable part. Okay, this is called as a split method. In split we can using only one method called split, split of. Okay, that called as a string variable dot split of function. This is the method. Okay, now I can do that split method. uh, when I take as a split method, I can take as a one date function. Okay, str equal to I can take as in today date 3 or 09 or 2019. Okay, now I can split that all that hyphen. How I can do that means string one dot split of function. String one dot split of function. Okay, string one dot split of function of hyphen. It will be taken as an all the hyphen will be splitted. When I take as an another argument called string one dot split of hyphen comma one. Okay, this is the argument called as in some numbers. Right. This is an argument called one is a argument called delimiters. Another one argument called num or uh, some n value. N is a numbers. Okay, so I can given as an some number called 1. What is the output will be given as an means the first hyphen will be removed. Okay, so when I take as an string 1 dot split of hyphen 1 comma 2, it will be taken as an all the hyphen symbols. Okay, so like that we'll be using the split function. We can split something called as an some hyphen, some tags. These are all comes under in the split method. Okay, so this is called as an split method. Suppose I want to be as an like this r strip, l strip or not there in split method, I can put as an r strip of. Okay, or sorry, or split of. I can take as an hyphen comma 1. So r strip means it will be splitted this side. Okay, l strip will not working. You can put as an l strip, I think it will be given as an error. Okay, so
Why?
this are all, yeah, l strip is not work in Python. I can take as an 1 minute. I can try that split off. It working is not problem. Okay, it will be taken as an string object has a no argument of L split. L split is not a function under in the Python. Okay, understood? Okay, not in Python. Okay, okay. These are all things are we can take as in today. I mean, I can save this also. mg1. That's called as an string 1. Okay. Next, I can take as an another method called justify. Okay, another method called string justify. Okay, another method called string justify. What is the use of the string justify means? Let I do that string justify. When I take the string called str1, okay, str1, okay, I can take as an Mohan. Okay, Mohan is an total character is in 5. I can given as an str1 dot l just is a l justify of. I can given as an total string will be, I can assumption as an 15 comma hash. Okay, how the output will be comes, you can predict it. Okay, you can predict what is the output.
Left side it will be justified.
Yes, how
It will
justify
move
means
to
what will become.
15 spaces towards left.
Yes, so what comes another 15 spaces will becomes means what will becomes, what output
Hash
will
would
be.
come.
Yeah, very good, hash would becomes. So I can take the take this means when I can output taken as an Mohan. Okay, so it will be taken as an hash has something till 50.
For
Okay, till
15.
50. Okay, till
Till
50.
15 times hash or till 15th space.
1 minute till 15 spaces will becomes 1 minute. I can put as an output. Just enter. When I enter, sorry, I can put as an string. When I entered, 15 is a integer. When I enter, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fourth 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Because you can take as in 0 means 5, 6,
5
7,
spaces,
8, 9, 10. Yeah. So this spaces will be taken.
9
So
hash would come.
yeah, 3, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, total 0 to 14 it will be taken. Okay, 4 will be fill as an Mohan. Okay, other than will be fill as an hash. Understood? Suppose total 50 character I can do, that means it not be display these things. Total I can get as an 0 to 14 character I will be printed means this hash symbol not printed. Okay. Hmm? This is the justify method. I think the here I can mistake. So I can copy and paste it here. I can copy and paste it.
And will it do right justification also? Right side?
Yeah, I can try that one minute. It will be taken as an movement. Okay, you can say like right justified. I can take as an same string str1 dot r justify and then right just of will be taken as an 50 comma hash. Okay, now I enter. So it will be taken like this. Okay, this is an L justify, this is an OR justify. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay. Next, another method I can give for a task that you can know about this method. In justify itself, you can give an in justify itself it will becomes is that fill. Is that fill of okay? Is that fill of total width? Okay, you can try this one task 2. Okay, is that fill? Is that fill? Okay, and then you can another method called str1 dot you can check as an join of. Oh, no problem, I can do that. These things only you can check is that fill, because already you can some of the digit Armstrongs are there. You can do that and then you can check this one. Okay,
Right.
so next class I can take as an join and boolean. So is alpha, is digit, these are all things that I can take.
Okay.
Okay, so till understand everything you can understand till this. You can
Right.
understand any doubts on that, I
No.
can share immediately.
Okay.
Okay, 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 thank you so much. You can keep
Thank.
trying, you can learn something newly. Okay,
Right.
thank you so much, thanks, bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.